Alright, welcome everybody. If you are watching this video, then that means that you have already watched the Where is the Love video that I posted to Google Classroom. If you have not yet listened to the song and watched that video, then go back and watch the video first, then come here and watch this video. So I'm going to be picking out two themes that I see in the song Where is the Love, and I am going to be commenting what themes I see based on the lyrics that I'm highlighting. So I will make a copy of this. It's going to be in your Google Classroom, and I'm going to ask that you make one. So I'll make two, showing you how to do it and what I see, and you just get to make one. That is your work for the day. Alright, so let's go ahead. The first theme that I see begins with the line, "But if you only have love for your own race, then you only leave space to discriminate." So how I am going to add my comment or make my theme or write my theme is by highlighting the lines that I want to highlight and then clicking add comment. Most of you know how to do this, but just in case you don't, I want to show you how. I want to title this one number 1 because it's the first theme that I have found. And let's see, they're talking about love, they're talking about race, and they're talking about discrimination. So I think I can write something like, "Loving those who are different than you is difficult but necessary." Alright, and I'm going to test it. I'm going to see if this theme stands up. So, well, the first one, yes, it does, because it's a full sentence, complete sentence. Number 2, yeah, it seems to be a significant statement that the song or that the authors are making. It's pretty deep, which also goes in number 3. It's about the deeper meaning of the song. The song has a lot of deep meanings. There's a lot that you can get from this song. So yeah, I think it's a deeper meaning. And number 4, maybe the hardest. Is this a lesson that I can apply to my own life? Absolutely. It's really hard to love those who are different than you. It's kind of easy to love ourselves sometimes and the things that we want to do. It's not always easy to love those who are different or see different than ourselves. So yeah, I think that one works. So when I am all the way done, when I've tested it and made sure that it is a good theme, then I hit comment, and that way it lives in this document. Now let's go down here, where I am going to find my second theme. Alright, and I'm going to highlight the line, "Most of us only care about money making. Selfishness got us following the wrong direction." So once again, I've highlighted the lines that I think are a theme, or that will lead me to a theme. I'm going to click add comment over here, and just in case you don't know, once you highlight some words or some lines, then this little plus sign comes up. That's where you click add comment. And let me move me up here. Alright, and for my second theme, my last example, they're talking about making money, they're talking about selfishness. So let's see, I think I can say something, I think that's a theme, kind of like pursuing money and riches often makes you selfish. Put a period there. And once again, let me test it against our 4 rules for themes. Number 1, yes, it's a complete sentence. Good. Number 2, I'd argue that, yeah, that is a significant statement. That's something important that the author is communicating. Number 3, yeah, that's about the deeper meaning of life. That's not just saying that money is cool. It's asking, it's questioning what we think about money. And even the Black Eyed Peas, they're a successful band. They're questioning how they think about money, which is really interesting to me. And number 4, is this a lesson that can be applied to our own lives? Yes, it is. I think pursuing money and riches often makes you selfish. If I heard that, I would think to myself, is that true? And if it is true, then do I want to pursue money and riches? Because I would rather not lead a life. I'd rather not be a selfish person. So yeah, that checks out against all 4 of the rules according to me, and so I think that's pretty good. So I'm going to go ahead and hit comment. There you go. You have my 2 examples. You can rewind if you'd like, and they will be there for you as long as you want. I'm going to go ahead and make a copy of these lyrics for you and put it in Google Classroom. And one more time, you just need to highlight something that you see and write one theme. One theme. That's your homework for the day. Good luck, and I will be available if you have any questions. Goodbye.